Hi everybody, it's Jenny Cassill, and here is a little preview of how you should set up your links for Open House in Canvas. It's recommended that you make a separate Google Meet for each of your class periods. That way you actually can take a break in between because you have to leave one meet and go to another. Schools that have set up just a single Google Meet for their classroom, parents have come early, parents have stayed late. That's all wonderful, but it means that it's really difficult for the teacher to get up and have an opportunity to stretch or take a personal break. So here are the two recommended ways that you provide these links to students and parents through Canvas. So first, if you're someone who has a homepage that students land on when they sign in, add your links directly to your home page. It doesn't have to be fancy, it just has to be here. So I added Open House with the times from the schedule that was provided with a link for the Google Meet right there for each of my 3 sections of this particular class. So those are right there on my home page. That way, when a student logs in, what they see is the home page just like usual, but right there is the information for um, to find the right Google Meet and with the times, which will be a little helpful. The other option, some teachers have the modules tab as the landing pad for when students log in. So the first thing that they see when they sign in and choose to go to this particular course is they see the instructional modules. If modules is your homepage, the first place that students get to when they sign in and go to your Canvas class, then create a module up at the top with the links for each of those Google Meets. Again, I just typed out the name of my class so nobody's confused. I put what time it's at, and then this is a hyperlink that will take students and parents right there. So again, if I look at it from the perspective of the student, if they were to go to that modules tab when they're signed in, what they see at the top is a published, make sure it's published, module that says open house, and then here are the times with the names of each period and a link that will take them to the appropriate Google Meet. I hope that helps folks get started, and good luck.